I have this. It's like really blue, and there's these guys on it. I don't know who these guys are, and I don't know what it. I have no clue what it is. There's not really much like I can say if I don't have even the slightest idea about it. So let's try it. Cut to the chase. It's really cool straw. It's like you can push it in. Now, it's really long straw. It can be pretty helpful to reach like areas at the bottom of the can. Pot. Oh, that tastes like apple, but then that's like apple, and then it kind of has like a pineapple-y taste. That tastes like it tastes like apple at first, then it tastes like pineapple.
Okay, thumbs up or what?
It's kind of in the middle. It's a really weird flavor. Definitely not like a flavor for everybody, but still, I give it a thumbs up.